Name a politician from Kaduna State.
Erofai.
Yeah. Name an American rapper.
Eminem.
Name something you find in a schoolyard.
Grass.
Name a football player.
Messi.
That's a tie. Name an ingredient you need to prepare
Salt.
jollof rice.
Salt.
You have to wait for me to finish the.
Do I win this or?
So just take it somewhere.
Complete.
Name a type of juice.
Jolly
Mocktail.
juice.
Yeah?
Jolly
Mocktail.
juice. Jolly juice.
Okay, what?
Mocktail by juice, man.
Jolly juice is a juice.
Now this is a tie. So,
Alright.
okay. Name a planet that makes up the solar system.
Venus.
Jupiter.
Beskido. I have to give it to you. Yeah.
Venus.
Name a British celebrity.
Central C.
Shit.
Nice.
What?
Name a soft drink.
Coke.
Yeah, nice. Name an American car brand.
Chevrolet. Tie.
Chevrolet.
Name a hero from the DC universe.
Batman.
Hey! Hey! Remain one now. Remain one.
Name a place in Abuja.
Ikoro. Kubwa. I enter from Abuja. Hey!
Name an insect that starts with the letter C.
Cockroach.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Boys, they all zoo.